Hi students, today we will study next question, exercise 11.1, question number 2. Okay children? Construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So children, first of all we have to construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay. Then next part. Let AB 4 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, AC 5 centimeter. Children, generally biggest number we consider for BC children. So here we draw BC 6 centimeter. That you can do yourself children, that is easy to understand. BC 6 centimeter. Now children, AB 4 centimeter and AC 5 centimeter. Now children you can see that AB 4 centimeter. Okay, put metal point on B and draw here one arc this way. Radius is 4 centimeter children. This way we have taken. Now take radius 5 centimeter. Now children, you can see it is 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter. Now from C, put metal point on C and here you join. So this will intersect and we call it is B children. Sorry, it is A. Join AB and AC. AB. AC. This is 4, this is 5, this is 6 children. Now children, here we draw one ray such that angle CBX is an acute angle. Okay, we have drawn one ray BX such that CBX, angle CBX becomes acute angle. Now children, it is asked that 2 by 3 ratio is what given? 2 by 3 children. I thought that maximum number is 3. So 3 points we have to find on this and denominator number is 3, that we have to join with this. Take any radius, convenient radius. Take first arc, from this point take second arc, from this point take third arc. Now children, 3 points we found, that is B1, B2, B3. B1, B2, B3. Now from point 3 joined with C children. Now children, take pair of compass, convenient radius. Okay, from B3 draw one arc such that it will intersect both these sides. Okay, now children, from B2, because we want to draw a line from B2, we want to draw line from B2. So from B2 we take one arc. Now children, this distance you have to measure from this point to this point children. Okay, that will cut from here. Now children, from this point and this point draw a line that line will be parallel to B3C. You can see that children, these two are parallel lines. Now children, this point we call it Q. Now children, we want to draw a line parallel to this line passing through this way. Here we will get point P. Now children, method is same. Take pair of compass, convenient radius, one arc this way. Now from Q children, draw another arc. Children, any length કેટલી લેવાની એ કોઈ એનો rule નથી. Convenient we take. Now children, measure this distance. Okay, this distance. Put here pair of compass and cut here. It will cut here. Okay. Now from Q children, draw a line passing through this point children. From this point to this point, draw a line. This is P. So now children, PBQ is our required triangle. That is 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. This triangle children. Okay. So now children, steps you write down yourself. Okay. In previous construction also, construction number 1, steps of construction you write yourself. The way we are doing, that way you have to write it. Or you can have idea from textbook also children. So this is your entire construction children. Construction number 3. Construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm, 7 cm. Then another triangle whose sides are 7/5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Children, in question number 2, difference is 2/3. Here is 7/5. Here we can say that this is less than 1, this is greater than 1. 7/5, this number is greater than 1. Children, when construction we have less than 1, method I taught. Now here remember how to solve greater than 1. Okay, let us start. Now children, here it is given 5, 6, 7. So biggest number is 7. So that we consider as base here, BC. Okay. Now it is given 5 cm. So AB we take 5. Now children, AB 5 cm. So from here we take one arc. Now AC we take 6 cm. AC I have taken 6 cm. Radius is taken 6 cm. It will cut here. We call it, this is A. Okay. Now join this children. AB, AC children. Okay. So we have constructed triangle ABC. In that BC is 7, AB is 5 cm, this is 6 cm. Now children, we know that one ray we drew here from B such that angle CBX, we call it X here, this angle is acute angle. So while writing steps, simply you have to mention that. Now children, here ratio is given 7/5 children. Okay. So in this 7/5, this is bigger number. So that many points here we have to find. So keep this radius conveniently constant radius, and here we have to take 7 arc. Now children, 7 arcs I have taken, that you can see. Now we write down points. So 7 points here we have taken children. Now from denominator is 5 children. So we joined denominator with C. This B5 we joined with C children. Now we want to construct a parallel line from 7. Now how to construct that you see here? Take convenient radius, draw one arc, okay. This arc must cut this B5C. Now from this point, children, B7, draw another arc, okay. Now children, you have to measure this distance, C, from this, children, length of previous arc. Measure this distance, children. Now from this point, do this way. Now children, draw a parallel line passing through this point, children. Children, are you doing with paper pencil work or simply watching? Simply watching? No, children, you should not do this way. You work with me. Then only you will understand this everything, children. Simply watching. Now only you take your pair of compass, paper, pencil, everything, and start along with me. Now, children, here we got point Q. Now from C, children, take another arc from Q, this way arc. Now children, you have to measure this distance, children. Okay, exactly you have to take, otherwise you will not get parallel line. Okay, now from here do arc. Okay, now draw a line parallel to this AC, children. Now put your scale here, Q, and you draw line. Now you can see, children, both are parallel lines. Here we got point P. Now we have constructed, children, P, B, Q such that it is greater than 7/5 triangle ABC. Steps, children, you write down yourself. By this way, we have finished this construction number 3. Let us proceed construction number 4. Question 4. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm, altitude is 4 cm. Children, this formation is little bit different compared to this one, children. Remaining it is same. Then another triangle whose sides are 1.5 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. So first we will construct isosceles triangle, then altitude. Okay. Now children, BC is an 8 cm line segment on the ray. This is ray. Now children, here we want to construct isosceles triangle. Altitude is given 4 centimeters. So first step is, children, we have to find midpoint of this, and with the help of midpoint, children, normally midpoint generally here it will come. Okay, so more than that we take, generally we take the distance more than midpoint. So here we take one arc, and from here, from C, another arc. We draw a line down. Also we have to take, children, here from this point and from this point, children. Okay, now we can put a scale. Now children, this is point. So this is our point D. Now children, AD we have to take 4 centimeter. It is given that altitude is 4 centimeter. Whole line we will not do, children. We will do required part. Down here it is not necessary. Just arcs we have taken. Now children, from this D we want A here, that is 4 centimeter. Now children, this is 4 centimeter taken here. Okay. Now from D here. Now say children, અહીંયા આગળ મારે આ બધા જ કટ આર્ક્સ બધા ભેગા થઈ ગયા. તમારે આ લાઈન ઉપર પણ હોય, નીચે પણ હોય, ચિંતા નહીં કરવાની. ઓકે, ગમે ત્યાં હોઈ શકે આ આર્ક, કારણ કે એ કોઈ મેઝરમેન્ટ, કોઈ પણ આર્ક ગમે ત્યાં કટ થતા હોય તો ચિંતા નહીં કરો. મેઇન વસ્તુ થિયરી યાદ રાખો કે અહીંયા જે કટ મળ્યો આનાથી એ ઓલ્ટિટ્યુડ આપણને 4 સેન્ટીમીટર કહ્યું છે, એટલે અહીંયા જે એ લખશું તો એડી જે છે તે 4 સેન્ટીમીટરનો ઓલ્ટિટ્યુડ થશે. હવે અહીંયાથી અહીંયા આઇસોસેલસ થઈ જશે, કારણ કે આઇસોસેલસ ટ્રાયેંગલની અંદર એબી અને એસી એ ઇક્વલ હોય. આઇસોસેલસ ટ્રાયેંગલમાં ઓલ્ટિટ્યુડ અને મીડિયન ઇક્વલ હોય ચિલ્ડ્રન. એ રૂલ યાદ રાખો ચિલ્ડ્રન. રિમેમ્બર, આઈ એમ રિપીટિંગ, ઇન આઇસોસેલસ ટ્રાયેંગલ, altitude AD is an altitude and AD will be median also. Clear? આ રીતના હોય તો ન હોય. આઇસોસેલસના આ બે સાઈડ જે છે એને કન્સિડર કરીને અહીંયા જે ઓલ્ટિટ્યુડ મળે તે, આ રીતનો જો ઓલ્ટિટ્યુડ તમે અહીંયા લો તો એ ઓલ્ટિટ્યુડને મીડિયન ન હોય, પણ જે કોમન બેઝ જે છે એના ઉપર જે ઓલ્ટિટ્યુડ બને તે ઓલ્ટિટ્યુડ જે છે એ અને મીડિયન સરખા હોય. ઓકે, બેઝ જે આપ્યો છે ને એ બેઝ ઉપરનો જે ઓલ્ટિટ્યુડ હોય તે ઓલ્ટિટ્યુડ અને મીડિયન. નાઉ ચિલ્ડ્રન, another points that you know very well, from B we draw one ray. That ray such a way that this CBX here it becomes acute. Now children, ratio, the word ratio is not given, but it is given that it is 1.5 times. 1.5 means what it is? It is 3/2. So this is our ratio. Maximum number is 3. So 3 equal parts here we will do. Any radius, convenient radius. 1, 2, 3. Denominator is 2. So denominator is children 2. This 2. So A2, this B1, B2, B3. So B2 we've joined with C children. Okay. And now from B3 we will do parallel line. And for that, take convenient radius, one arc. Okay. Now from B3 another arc. ચલો ને ગમે ત્યાં કટ થાય ચિંતા નહીં કરો. ઓકે, આ B3 માંથી જે આર્ક કર્યો તે આ રીતના મળ્યો. Now children, measure this point. This arc અને આ આર્ક અહીંયા આગળ, બરાબર, એ અહીંયાથી તમારે કટ આપવાનો છે. એટલે જે પ્રીવિયસ આર્ક જે છે તે આ છે, દેખાય છે? Now children, do here line passing through this children. Now children, join this point with this line. So that way we have constructed parallel lines children. Okay, this is our Q. Now from Q children we will draw another parallel line. Now children, from C draw one line, from Q another arc, Measure this distance. From here draw line from Q, children. From Q to this point, children. This is point. Okay. Now you can see that, children, we have two parallel lines here, and this is our required point P. Now, children, triangle PBQ, which this triangle is 1.5 times greater than the corresponding sides of the isosceles given triangle ABC. આ જે ABC triangle છે એના કરતા આ triangle PBQ એ 1.5 time greater છે, બરાબર? એના sides ના measurement ના corresponding માં. Okay, steps you have to write yourself, children. Okay, let us proceed. Next sum, question number 5. Question number 5 we will see in next video session. Okay, children? Repeat all this construction 2-3 times. That's your homework.